Hi, I'm Rajesh Muppalla. I'm a co-founder and senior director of engineering at Indix, where I lead the catalog and machine learning infrastructure team. Yeah, one of the recent ones, and that corresponds to the talk that I'm giving, is about how do you solve the last mile problem in machine learning. That is, how do you take machine learning models to production? And we made some good progress in the last few years in tackling that. But I think there's still a long way to go before it becomes completely self-serve, where data scientists can take models that they've built and take them to production in a very self-service way. One big issue has been monitoring. Think of it as a when you're dealing with scale, and if you don't have any metrics, for example, or monitoring, you're actually blind. I mean, you're flying a airplane without the dashboard. So that's so one of the important things we do is make sure that we have enough dashboards which have our metrics, the business metrics that we care about, so that we know what's going on with our systems. Yeah, I think something that will happen a lot in the future is everybody will be using machine learning and AI, which means that people will be pushing models at scale, training models at scale. So what is the supporting infrastructure for this? Where you're able to train models within probably minutes instead of days or hours, and how do you push them to production within, let's say, again, minutes and hours instead of days. So I've built distributed systems in the past, and one of the biggest benefits of function programming is immutability. In a world where multithreading is given, the fact that function programming takes care of these things is a big relief for you. You don't have to reason out nasty bugs that would actually happen if you use code that's mutable. Yeah, so the context is, I have come all the way from India here. So I find this is the best conference that I've attended. This is my second time. I find the whole community very welcoming. I value the discussions that I have with people, and I make friends every year. And this year it's not different, and I'm sure I'll come back again next year.